Welcome back students for the next module of Teref Machine 2 unit number 4, that is cam and follower. Now for last motion of the follower, that is cycloidal motion, you have to see displacement, velocity, acceleration and jerk. So here displacement of follower after time t for cycloidal motion is given by, so these are the standard equations. Y equal to s upon pi theta by theta naught minus half sine of 2 pi theta upon theta naught. So if you put theta equal to 0, you can find y at theta equal to 0, y 0 equal to, so it becomes 0. Sin 0, 0, this is also 0, 0 minus 0, 0. So this into 0, that is 0. If you put theta equal to theta naught by 2, here, after putting theta equal to theta naught by 2, we will get y equal to s by 2. And if you put theta equal to theta naught, so we will get finally y equal to s. Now velocity of follower v equal to rate of change of displacement with respect to time t, so dy by dt. So dy dt of y here s by pi into pi theta by theta naught minus half sine 2 pi theta by theta naught. So here we can take differentiation here. So what we have to do? We have to differentiate using chain rule. So d by d theta into d theta by dt. So we'll get s by theta naught into d theta by dt. So pi get cancelled here if you multiply this s by pi to the whole circle. So we'll get s by theta naught into d theta by dt, this differentiation, minus s by 2 pi constant as it is. So derivative of sine is cos, so cos 2 pi theta by theta naught into derivative of this term 2 pi theta by theta naught. So 2 pi theta naught, 2 pi by theta naught into d theta by dt. So d theta by dt is nothing but omega. So putting here omega, we'll get finally v equal to s by theta naught into omega into bracket 1 minus cos of 2 pi theta upon theta. Now we can calculate different values of velocity at theta equal to 0, theta equal to theta naught by 2 and theta equal to theta naught. So putting here theta equal to 0. So here cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so velocity is 0. Then theta equal to theta naught by 2. If you put theta equal to theta naught by 2, so we will get v theta naught by 2 is equal to 2s omega upon theta naught. And if you put theta equal to theta naught only, so we will get velocity 0. So maximum velocity 2s omega upon theta naught at theta naught by 2. We can calculate velocity at any particular value of theta. Now acceleration, rate of change of velocity with respect to time t, dv by dt. So dv by dt of here v is s by theta naught into omega in bracket 1 minus cos 2 pi theta by theta naught. So here again take differentiation with apply chain rule. So it is here by applying the chain rule, so it is coming 2 pi s upon theta naught square into omega square into sine of 2 pi theta by theta naught. Here this term, it is constant, so it is 0. So if you take here next, that is s by theta naught into omega cos of this, if you differentiate, we'll get s by theta naught into omega at constant, and derivative of cos is minus sine, and again you have to take derivative of this term and into d theta by dt. So minus minus become plus, you will get final answer this one. So again theta equal to 0, acceleration is 0, theta equal to theta naught by 2, acceleration is also here at 0, and theta equal to theta naught, acceleration is 0. But at theta equal to theta naught by 4, acceleration is 2 pi s upon theta naught square into omega. So maximum acceleration is 2 pi s upon theta naught square into omega square. Then jerk is rate of change of acceleration with respect to time t. Again putting d by dt of acceleration value, this one 2 pi s upon theta naught square into omega square into sine of 2 pi theta by theta naught. Again taking differentiation and using chain rule, we will get jerk is here, jerk is coming 4 pi square s upon theta naught cube into omega cube into cos of 2 pi theta by theta naught. Again taking our calculating values at theta equal to 0, j is, so j is coming at theta equal to 0, 4 pi square s upon theta naught cube into omega cube. At theta equal to theta naught by 2, it is coming minus 4 pi square s upon theta naught cube into omega cube. And at theta equal to theta naught, it is coming 4 pi square s upon theta naught cube into omega cube. Here, so maximum jerk is 4 pi square s upon theta naught cube into s into omega square. So this way we have to get the equation of displacement, velocity, acceleration and jerk for all the motions, that is uniform velocity, simple harmonic motion, uniform acceleration and retardation motion, and last one is cycloidal motion. Okay, there is a one bit that is circular arc cam with flat face follower. So this we have to see. So this is just for, you can say, understanding. Question also will ask in the exam, but if you want to solve, you can solve it. So there is a derivation of this. So a big derivation is there. So we'll see the derivation of this flat face follower. Okay, and after that we will see the numerical on this flat face follower. So this will we will study in the next class. Okay, students. So see you in the next class.